How to fix Shopify add to cart button not working. So there's nothing more frustrating than getting traffic to your Shopify store only to find out your customers literally can't buy anything because of your add to cart button is just frozen. I'll show you the exact troubleshooting steps to diagnose and fix this issue so you can get your checkout process running smoothly again. Okay, so the most common culprit behind a dead add to cart button is a conflict with a recently installed app, especially pre-order, bundle, or discount apps. So to test this, open up your store in incognito. So just go ahead and open up your online store, and you can just go ahead and edit the theme in here. Or actually, no, guys, you just go ahead and open up your settings, navigate to domains, and then just click your domain right here and just copy it. Okay, just copy it. Then you open up incognito right here, insert it, and go to it. Right, and you can just bypass this local browser cache. If the button still doesn't work, you can right click on it. Let's go back. We need to go into our site editor, of course. Here, and edit. Alright, so you click the header, choose your button, right click on it, and select inspect or edit code. Alright, if it's not here, you can just go ahead and click on three dots here, choose view. It's going to open your site as a preview. Then you just right click the button here and choose inspect. Right, and you can just click on the console tab here, console, and then click the broken button again. If you see a bright red error messages pop up, let me click on it like this. Alright, as you can see, I have actually plenty of errors here. So this will pretty much say that a third-party app's script possibly could have hijacked your checkout logic. So go to your Shopify admin dashboard, temporarily disable your most recently installed apps one by one, and refresh the page to identify the culprits. So close that, go ahead into your apps here. As you can see, I already only have one installed, but yeah, go ahead and disable some, for example, uninstall, and yeah, figure this out step by step. This is it, just try these fixes out. Hopefully some of them will help you. If they did, make sure to subscribe.